How to leave Chipotle feedback using or receive survey code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chipotle.com/feedback, which will lead you to this page. Here, click on Receipt with a survey code. After you've clicked on Receipt with a survey code, press on Next at the bottom. After you've pressed Next at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Here, you can add 20-digit survey code. After you've added your survey code, you will continue to the next screen, and from there you can answer survey questions, add comments if there is a text box, and submit the feedback. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to leave Chipotle feedback using a received survey code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.